Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download a Google Docs spreadsheet as a Microsoft Excel file. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the File tab up at the top left, and then go down and select where it says Download. And then you would select Microsoft Excel. Go ahead and select that, and then it would download to your device, and you can open up that file in Excel, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.